Welcome to 58 Lower Bay Road, a beautiful contemporary home in Sanbornton, New Hampshire. This property features a spacious wraparound deck with stunning views of Lake Winnisquam. Inside, the main living area boasts vaulted wood ceilings, abundant natural light, and a cozy stove. The open floor plan flows seamlessly into the kitchen, complete with a large island, white cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. With 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, there is plenty of room for family and guests. The upper levels offer comfortable sleeping quarters and a spacious family room, perfect for movie nights. The walkout lower level includes a fantastic in-law suite with its own kitchen, living area, bedroom, and bath, plus convenient basement laundry. Outside, enjoy the private backyard or take the path right across the street to your exclusively owned waterfront and private dock. Experience lake living at its finest. Contact us today for a tour.